Okay, here we are in bus number 4 from Chawahanaki, or however you pronounce it, school district up near Oakhurst in Central California in the mountains. It's a mountain bus. It's a 10-speed designed for the mountains. It has a jake brake for the mountain downhills. It has regular chains in the back, not the air chains. Look at the ceiling. Look at the upholstery. You don't find 30 and 40-year-old buses in this condition. Look at the floor. This interior is still dusty from being stored for years, but look at the condition of everything. It's virtually new. I don't even see any patches. I'm sure I'll find some someplace. But all the seats match. The floor is perfect. The ceiling is unbelievable. Look at that. Just unbelievable. This bus is almost too good to convert. It's so perfect. It's just perfect. The only thing this bus needs is the roof painted. And most people paint it anyway because it's yellow, which I love. Most people prefer a white roof because it's cooler. Here's the air seat. Take a look at the dash. And while we're here, let's start it up. $85,080 on the speedometer. This bus, from what I'm told, is actually about a 150,000 mile bus. It's very, very low mileage. Tachometer works. Voltage is coming up. Yeah, this bus had enough air pressure to start right now after sitting overnight, so it didn't have to air up, so we don't have any major air leaks. Let's walk around the outside. We'll listen to this thing run. Look at the beautifully painted engine. So there's some storage space, serious. Here's the Detroit 671. Just all around the base component, that's it. Pricing service, brand new fuels, transmission is even pressure coated, 10-speed. Tires are excellent. Wheels are silver, which I love. Beautiful front tires. The entrance of the bus is perfect. The paint around the bus is just beautiful. Look at the original chrome bumper overrider, still chrome, not painted black because they never rusted. Look at the condition of the paint, it's just unbelievable. Another great tire. Here's the other side. You can see the turbo. This is a turbocharged 671 that has more horsepower.